Around 1 a.m. in Tampa, Officer Baden spots a vehicle cruising in the dark. No taillights, no visibility. But watch the driver's reaction closely. What sounds like simple nervousness about a forgotten wallet is actually the start of a calculated game. She's stalling, and the officer is already sensing that the math isn't adding up.
Hey, how you doing? Moss Baden, Tampa Police Department. You know I'm stopping you?
No.
You ain't got no lights on.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I just got off work.
Okay.
I work at the Long Ash. I'm so sorry.
Do you have your license with you?
I literally left my wallet at my job. Literally just called my manager and told that I left it. So I don't have...
Do you have like a picture of your ID or anything?
No.
Do you have a Florida license?
No.
I've
only been in Tampa for like 2 weeks. I just started this whole thing.
What state do you have a license out of?
I was in California.
I've asked you kind of specific questions. You haven't really given me specific answers.
I said I've been here for 2 weeks now. I said I work at Long Ash.
What license do you have? What state do you have a license out of? You
said
I was in
California.
Right.
Yes.
Do you have a California license?
If it's still active and I still like there, yeah, it should be. If it's still, I don't know how it works, like license plate wise, like
driver's
license, yeah.
Right.
I'm not sure how that works.
Did you have a California driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. How long ago did you have a California driver's license?
Probably like 2 months ago. I want to say that it was like active and everything because of my birthday for the date.
Okay. You lived in Florida for 2 months.
Yes.
How come you haven't got a Florida license?
I've been through a lot, honestly. I've been going through a lot right now between like moving and like my kids and like child support and fathering my children and like this whole case thing. So it's just, I've been trying to get everything in order right now.
And you don't have a picture of your license or any idea at all?
No, sir.
So how am I supposed to tell who you are?
I understand. I can give you my name. That's all I have. I don't have anything else.
What's your name?
Marina, Marina.
Last name?
Trujillo.
Do you have a middle name?
No.
Do you have 2 last names?
Mm-mm.
What's your date of birth?
April 12th, 1995.
What address would your license in California be under?
It's my mom's address, I'm not sure.
You don't know what address your mom lives at?
Not really. I'm sorry. She moved around a lot. It was like Johnson, and I went to like like Sierra. Yeah, it's a lot of addresses.
So, hang on. So you said you left your wallet at your job. And you just texted your boss.
Yes, I text my manager.
Are they still at your job now?
No.
Huh?
No.
Is there anybody there still?
No. We close at 12 o'clock. It's 12:47. I literally just got off work and just went home. I'm just trying to get home.
So you're just leaving your job now?
Yes, sir.
You realize that you left your wallet at your job before I even stopped you, because you said, "Oh, I left my wallet at my house."
Yeah, I text my manager on my way home. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just parked right down there. I came back from Igor.
Right, I can see you got all this stuff on.
Yeah.
So you're 2 minutes from your job.
Yeah.
So you texted your manager that you left your wallet instead of turning around to go get your wallet.
Yeah, no, she was already gone. Like, she lives like 2 minutes, 3 minutes away, so she's like, I'm not there anymore.
So where were you at after you got off?
I have to walk to my car, too. I had to walk to Pepper's Island as well. That's like 7th, that's like, I work on 7th Street, so I'm 4th. So I had to walk by myself to my car. I got in my car, then I realized I didn't have my license, and then I texted her. She said she already left, so then I just started driving home.
All right, hang tight.
Okay.
Name.
So what was your date of birth?
04/12/95.
95?
95.
And you don't have a Florida license?
No.
And you don't have a middle name?
No.
Whose car is this?
This is my friend's.
Who?
Aaron.
Do you live with him?
I mean, we're like living with each other. We're not like officially like together and all that. Yeah,
Okay.
my friend.
What's Estrella? Marina Estrella Trujillo? 41298? Okay, hop out of the car.
Here's where the lie falls apart. The system flagged her real birth date and middle name instantly, exposing her suspended license. She gambled on a fake identity to dodge a traffic ticket, but that decision just upgraded her night from a warning to a guaranteed arrest for resisting an officer.
I don't know why you're playing games.
I'm not playing games.
You are playing games.
I'm not playing
You are
games.
playing games.
No, you said you pulled me over because my lights are off. My lights
Yes.
have been off. My lights have been on this whole time.
Are your
I ain't
lights
playing
on right
games.
now? They're not on because you don't have any lights on. No, they're not. Yes, you have daytime running lights on. You don't have lights on. Grab a seat. 684 and 1015. Maybe 54, 1918.
Can I get a 54 for 684 at 4th and 22nd Street? Thanks, pass in it. And we are 215, Central Factory.
Yep. Shocking.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Victor 1, approve this couple series.
Victor 1. Can you put this area for Tango 1?
That's what.
Thank you. 253. 307, Victor 61, 134.
Okay, for.
Yep.
Six eight four.
684.
Can I get a female for a search?
Thankfully, Victor 5 is off. 54 and the
Okay, thank you.
yeah. 54. Victor 5, I'm 397. That's 4.
Like, so stupid. She don't have headlights on, and then she gives me a fake name because she doesn't have a license. That's it. But she wants to lie to me about her name, so now she's going to go to jail for resisting for not having a license. No, just dumb. All right, get out. Sitting right here.
Please the car corner.
Just want to let you know, you decided to turn this from. I probably wasn't even going to write you a ticket for your suspended license.
I understand.
Probably wasn't going to write you a ticket for anything.
I understand.
But because you want to play fucking games with me, you're going to jail.
I understand. Can I talk real quick?
What?
I've been through a whole lot right now, and I don't have my license right now, so I knew that if I was gonna get caught up in anything, I would just get in more trouble. So that's the only. It was not
So
my, the car's not in my hand.
Thing
So that's the only
the
reason
best thing
why.
to do is to lie to me, and when I go back up and I tell you again,
So I just didn't think that it was going to be that
doing.
big of a deal because you didn't see.
Guess what it is?
I didn't think that was going to be that big of a deal
Guess what
since you
it
didn't
is?
smell anything. You didn't know that.
Really, I didn't smell anything. Did I say that I didn't smell weed in your car? Because I do smell weed in your car.
I don't smoke.
Okay?
I didn't smoke.
You don't
I don't
smoke.
no.
That's cool, but you had weed next to you. I don't even give a shit about the weed. Okay? I'm letting you know right now. Your
Sir,
lack
I do
of
apologize.
maturity
I understand.
is why you're
No,
going
I
to
get it.
jail.
I hear you. I
Okay?
understand.
Do you understand that?
No, I understand. I completely understand.
This could have went totally different. You wouldn't even got a ticket. But because you want to play games, you're going to jail.
I got scared.
Okay, cool.
You were in my face. I got scared.
Really? How did I go? How did I approach you? Hey, I
asked me 1,000 questions. I
because your
got
license.
scared.
Right.
I did.
Because you could have given me your ID card, and that would have been it. That would have been it.
My lights were off. My lights weren't off. So
Are your lights on right now? Are your lights on right now? No, they're not. And they weren't. Did you turn them on? No, you didn't. So that is exactly how you're driving down the road. Okay? You understand that? Okay. Could you have given me your ID card? Yes. So when I said you have a picture of your license,
I thought it
what
was
did
going
you
to end
say?
up like this. Honestly, when you took me right away, I thought that you were going to I swear on everything.
Okay. So you chose that road. You chose that road, not me. Okay.
I don't apologize. Of course, honesty and everything. That wasn't my intention. I was just scared.
Well, because you are,
Have a seat and kick your feet up.
Yeah, no.
don't have any maturity,
I
you're
was
going
just
to
scared,
jail,
sir.
your car is getting towed.
Let me see your shirt.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a seat and just kick your feet up. Do you have anything in your pockets that I missed?
I'm sorry.
Hey, wiggle those back in there.
Yeah. Can you untie it? So it can just be a
Let
little
me see
bit.
the other one.
Yeah, yeah.
They're gonna take them off when we get there anyway, so we'll just keep it. There's nothing that I missed, not even a penny, nothing.
No.
Okay. Hold on, let me see where it is missing. That's on the side. Then back home. Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You didn't call the tow truck, right?
No, I just went to.
Okay, I got it.
No, I just went to.
I'm not sure why you ate me. Can you give me individual numbers? Okay. There's a gentleman.
Halloween.
You want to miss a week?
Halloween, like I have kids, that's all.
Probably not. Going to jail or getting 2 misdemeanors instead of going home with...
Sir, I understand. I really do. And I did apologize. Yes, it was after, but I did apologize. I was scared, that's all.
In the end, honesty would have saved her. She turned a minor equipment violation into a trip to jail, all while sitting on a suspended license and hidden cannabis. Sometimes the cover-up hurts more than the crime. If you think she should have just owned it, drop a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more breakdowns.